Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can pick font style on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to choose display over here and scroll down. Then choose font size and style, go into font style and select one of those options, like Gothic Bold by tapping on the chosen one. As you can see, style of my font has changed, but you can always click on font style and choose download fonts. Over here, click on this icon next to the chosen one. Wait a bit. Then go back and just tap on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!